Alright, so this is Mark here. I just figured it might be easier if I made this YouTube video to kind of explain what I want done. Flyer's looking great, so I really appreciate all the work you've done so far. As far as the flyer goes, there are a few changes. First, I would like to see these with just the first letter capitalized and not the second on both this line and that line to make that look a little cleaner. Also, there's some wording that will be changed here, and I'll go over that in a minute. And a few little layout things. Main thing is to have this section go up a little bit to where we create a black line down here that's thicker so I can add some information. On to the changes. This is fine, that's fine. This just needs to be reworded. So what we're looking at is, instead of what it's reading now, I'd like it to read, one of the largest contributors to preventable and costly exterior repairs is the failure of a home's paint system. I think that'll look a little better, and it's not doubling up the word biggest twice. So as far as the middle goes here, instead of reading call a Titan today for your free estimate, I would like it to read call a Titan for your free estimate, and then have this whole area black, and then also have the larger numbers with 4815551 instead of the 901, so that way we can make that larger and still fit. The other thing is to change this save 10% to ask how to save 10% by presenting this flyer. I think that'll kind of go better with what I have. These two sides are perfectly fine. Like I said, the only thing I need to change is just to capitalize this part and not the second word. As far as the bottom goes, by creating this darker line and moving this section up, I would like this to read Hire Titan Group LLC for your next paint job and protect your investment today. And also in the corners, I would like it to read BBB accredited for Better Business Bureau, licensed, bonded, and insured, TN number 8170 here. And then larger in the middle, larger than both this and this, I would like to see www.titangroup.net to reference my website that I'm building right now. So like I said, with those changes, really all we're looking at is just correcting the capitalization here, and then rewriting these and adding this line. I think it'll be great. The only other change I'd like to see is that the canvas type background wasn't really working. I know you said there wasn't a way to get that to work, so I like it up here and here, but on this section I would like to see this black and then this kind of like a little bit lighter shade of gray to kind of separate that from this other part. So if you would do those things for me, that'd be great. And like I said, I really appreciate all the work you've done so far and can't wait to see how it looks. As far as going from here, I don't know whether I'm going to have the roofing flyer on the reverse side to save on advertising costs, or if I'm just going to have a layout that we can create for the back side of the flyer that's just a generic layout to use on both roofing and painting, and keep them separate. So look forward to talking back with you, and hopefully this video will help make some sense. Thanks.